Certain? Okay. So other two distributions which we discussed with the x success now. So probability of x equal to 5 means you are going to discuss the probability of finding 5 success. Okay, whereas geometry means what is the meaning? The chance of getting the first success. Okay, that is the difference between other two and this one. Okay. So I think we discussed one problem based on that one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take the next one. X is here. X is here. Geometric variate. Geometric. If x is here, geometric variate. Taking values. 1 to etc. up to infinity. 1 to etc. up to infinity. 5. Probability of x is odd. Find probability of x is odd. X should be an odd number. So the question is direct. X is going to follow which distribution? Geometric distribution. Okay. So what is the range for x value given? 1 to infinity. X is given to be 1 to infinity. So 1 to infinity means how you define geometry? Remember my definition? P q power x minus 1. Okay, I gave you one more form also. P q power x, where x varies from 0 to infinity. Here I asked to discuss only from 1 to infinity. So formula will be P q power x minus 1. What you are supposed to find? Probability of x is odd. What are the possible odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9,
11, etc. Infinite.
So you find the probability value for all the possible odd numbers. Okay, so start the solution. Given x is a geometric variate. Given x is a geometric variate. X is a geometric variate. Therefore, probability of capital X equal to small x is equal to p q power x minus 1, where x varies from 1 to etc. up to infinity. That is the definition. So now we will discuss the case for x is odd. So right, probability of x is odd is equal to, write all the possible odd numbers. Probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 5 plus probability of x equal to 7 plus etc. up to infinity, because this is going to an infinite series. Now for each case substitute formula. What is the first one? X equal to 1. So x equal to 1 means what will happen? Q power 0. So what is q power 0? 1. So it takes simply as plus x equal to 3. P q square. X equal to 5. P q power 4. X equal to 7. P power 6 plus etc. up to infinity. Now we have to simplify this and give it a simplified answer. Okay, what is common everywhere? P. So you can take P outside. If you take P outside, divide into Q square, Q power 4, Q power 6, etc. This represents what series form?
Binomial distribution.
E power x you have to go only if the denominator has factorial roots. Okay?
Only numerical terms. 1.
I can here only 1 after that.
Minus x.
1 minus x the whole power minus 1. What is x here? Q square. Okay? Just as it is, you cannot identify what is common in all the terms?
Q
square. So assume x to be q square. If you assume x to be q square, what will happen? P into 1 plus x square plus x cube try to simplify this. How can I simplify this term? So since this is a negative power, it will come in denominator. Okay. So denominator will have 1 minus q square. It resembles what formula? Here I have q square. Where is p square? How come? How come 1 minus q square is p square? P equal to 1 minus q, right? If you square on both sides, what will happen? P square will be 1 minus q the whole square, not 1 minus q square. It doesn't switch from the school formula. Not conjugate. Simple basic school formula. Not a square minus b square. This will resemble which formula? Very good. A square minus b square. One can be written as 1 square. What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. Instead of you are having it as 1. Instead of you are having it as q. So the denominator can be written as p by 1 minus q into 1 minus q. But what is 1 minus q? P. So both will get cancelled off. You will get your answer as 1 by 1 minus q. That is your probability value. This is a generalized result. Okay, formula. Even number, procedure of solving will be the same. Even number plus what are the possible values? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So in the same way you have to solve this also for an even number. Okay, this is a generalized formula. It does not have any particular values. Generalized result. So take our next one. Next problem. Suppose that a trainee soldier shoots a target in an independent fashion. Full stop. If the probability that the target is shot on any one shot is 0.8. On any one shot is 0.8, first subdivision. What is the probability? What is the probability that the target would be hit on 6th attempt? Would be hit on 6th attempt. Second one. What is the probability? That it takes him less than 5 shots. Third one. What is the probability that it takes him an even number of shots? Computer. Okay. So when you see the statement, whether any distribution was mentioned, no. You have identified, you are going to solve by which distribution. So what is the information given for you? The probability that the train issues the target is 0.8. Okay, so this is the probability for the target to be shot. So that is given to be 0.8. So this is P value or Q value? P. So it doesn't just to be P. Using P you can find what is your Q value. Any other data are there in the statement? Any other values are there? Are you given the total number of shots? No, nothing is given. Okay, wow. So if you are going to solve it by binomial means you need the n value. How many times you are going to do the experiment? That is not given. So it cannot be solved by binomial. Where it can be solved by using Poisson?
Lambda.
Lambda unity. What is lambda? Mean. When a mean is given?
No.
Or the other way of getting lambda is NP. Again NP, n is not known. So we cannot solve this one by using the Poisson. Okay, wow. So what is the only possibility you can think of? Geometry. This is one way of identifying that it belongs to geometry. Or otherwise you can identify from the question. What is the first question asked? What is the probability that okay, the target will be hit only on the 6th attempt. That is, the success is going to happen only on the 6th attempt. Remaining 5 failure. So this is like first success. So we are going to apply our geometric distribution. So these are the ways to identify which it can be solved by which formula. Okay, can you understand now? Should we start the problem? So right, given P is equal to 0.8. Given P equal to 0.8. So what is Q value?
1 minus P.
What is 1 minus P?
0.2.
Q value is 0.2. So right, probability of capital X equal to small x is equal to P Q power x minus 1. X varies from 1 to etc. up to infinity. Everywhere first write a generalized definition so that it will be easy to substitute. Start the first one. What is the first case? The target is hit only on the 6th attempt. So what are you supposed to find? X equal to 6. So right. Probability of x equal to 6. So P value is 0.8 into Q value is 0.2. The whole power x minus 1. So 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Find the answer. 0.0000 2 Others check whether the answer is right or wrong. Right. Yes. So what is the second one you have to find? Less than 5 shots. So less than 5 shots means what are the possible values? He can hit the target in the first attempt itself, or he can hit the target at second, or he can hit the target as third, or he can hit the target at fourth attempt. Okay, less than 5 shots he should have hit the target. It can happen in the first time, or it can happen in the second time, or it can happen in the third time, or it can happen in the fourth time. Whether x equal to 0 is allowed? X equal to 0 means what is the meaning? No shot. He did not hit the target. So x equal to 0 is not allowed. Actually our definition starts only from 1 to infinity. So x equal to 0 is not there. Okay, because we define only from 1 to infinity. Okay, x equal to 0 is no shot at all. That is of meaningless. Okay, so 0 is not inclusive in this form of definition. In the other form it will be inclusive, there the meaning will be a different one. So don't confuse with two definitions, ma. Memorize one definition and stick to that definition for all the problems. Okay, so what are the possible values now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will find for all of them. So start second one. Probability of x less than 5. So probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4. Substitute one by one x value. First case P. take 0.8 as a common term outside, put the remaining in the calculator, then multiply both by 0.8 because everywhere 0.8 is common. I'm going to give you impositions. Yesterday also you gave an answer like that only.
0.9984.
0.99.
9984.
Others? Same answer. Yes, girls? Same answer. Shall we go for the last one? So what is the last case? Probability at even number of shots. So what are the even numbers possible? 2, 4, 6, etc. That is a finite or infinite? Infinite. Because there is no restriction for the number of shots. They can try for any number of times. So it also goes to infinite. So previous problem we discussed for odd case, right? In the same way we are going to discuss it for the even. Okay, if you generalize it, discuss with P and Q value. In the last step, we will substitute what is P and what is Q. So that it will be easy for us to simplify the steps. Okay, so third one, probability of X is even. Same procedure as we did for odd. Shall I read this as practice work for you for today? X is even. The same procedure what we have followed for your odd. That we discussed with 1, 3, 5, 7. Here we discuss with 2, 4, 6, 8. So this part alone I will give you as the practice work for today. Okay, how much time it will take, ma'am? Maximum 5 minutes. So everyone must complete and come for your next class. Okay. So that's all. Now we are going to start with our discrete cases. So what are the distribution we have discussed for discrete? Binomial, Poisson, geometry. Only 3 distributions we have discussed. Okay, well, as I told you already, binomial and Poisson, any problem can be solved by any one of this distribution. You should be careful when you are going to solve the problem by geometry. Okay, so most of the cases by seeing the statements itself you can identify it is binomial or Poisson. Okay, so when you go for geometry, only if it belongs to first success, then only you go for a geometry. Any doubt in this three, ma'am? Any doubt for anyone? No doubt. Then can we have a test now? No doubt, no. Then we can have a test, right? Close all your books. Close all your books. Oral test for you. Close your books. Everyone? Okay, so define what is the binomial distribution. Okay. Define means tell me the probability formula. That is enough. The third person. So tell me what is n? Say that for me. Number of not success. Total, that's the total. Then P, H. You are going to write the example further. P, number of probability. We are sticking to numbers now. What is X? What success? I will be in position. Instead of value, I will write. Recall what we discussed. Remember what is Poisson distribution? Definition. Probability of capital X equal to small x equal to say. Yes, ma'am. Study the formula. What is the mean of binomial distribution? Yourself only mean of binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. Others remain in silence. Otherwise, instead of him, imposition will come to you. Those are great answer. Mean of binomial distribution. Now we will start with the continuous distribution. As you know, continuous case means it is going to go for some particular interval, or it may go up to infinite also, but it is going to happen in a continuous stream. Okay, discrete cases it is going to happen only at that particular point. All those things we discussed in our unit 1. What is the meaning of discrete and what is the meaning of continuous? Now we are going to discuss some continuous standard distributions. We will be discussing the distribution like uniform distribution, normal, exponential and gamma. Nearly 4 distributions will be discussing here. I gave you one statistical tables to take print out. Have you all done that one? Yes sir. Tomorrow I need you to bring the tables. Because first distribution generally will discuss, but when you go for normal distribution we need a table to solve the problems. Anyone is having the tables? The soft copy was shared in the classroom. Yes or no? Yes? So I want everyone to take the tables around scope. Okay, whatever page number is mentioned, take only the page number, don't take all the pages. Okay, the soft copy page number was mentioned. Take only those pages, don't include the unnecessary pages. Okay, by tomorrow everyone should have. That is on Friday. Friday we have in class now. On Friday everyone should have the tables around. Okay, so take out continuous distribution. Continuous distribution. Continuous distribution. So in that the first one what we are going to discuss is uniform distribution. Uniform distribution or rectangular distribution. Uniform or rectangular distribution. Uniform or rectangular distribution. So when you are going to go for uniform distribution is that if some event is going to happen continuously for some particular time interval, they will go for the uniform distribution. There is not going to be any change in that pattern. The standard examples for this one is our traveling computations. Okay, every how many minutes train will be arriving? 5 minutes. So that is going to be a routine one. Every 5 minutes one train is going to arrive. Okay, even buses. Every 5 minutes one bus is going to arrive. So within half an hour how many buses you can catch? 6. Okay, well like that something is going to happen repeatedly in a uniform pattern. All those categories will come under our uniform distribution case. In continuous case, mostly the distributions will be mentioned in the statement now. You need not worry to identify the distribution. Only the discrete case you will identify the distribution. In continuous, in the statement they will mention that it belongs to this distribution. Okay, so mostly they will mention. For the other cases, uniform alone you have to find by yourself. Some cases. Okay, uniform is what is the meaning? Some particular event is going to happen repeatedly throughout some particular time. Okay, even the flight arrival, no? There is a time for flight arrival or no? Yes, nowadays it's like bus stop. Every 10 minutes one flight is moving on from one place to another place. So all those things will come under the uniform distribution cases. Okay, so take down definition. A random variable x is said to have a random variable x is said to have a continuous uniform distribution over an interval a comma b over an interval a comma b if its PDF is PDF. What is PDF? Probability density function. PDF means probability density function is given by is given by f of x is equal to k for interval a less than x less than b equal to 0 otherwise. Put a comma, right? K is a constant. K is a constant. Here always f of x will be equal to some constant value only, it will not be a variable. Okay? I have given you k here, no more. Already discussed in our unit 1. If there is any unknown, means only find an unknown. What is equal to 1? Total integral value will be equal to 1. Since this is a continuous case, integral of f of x dx is equal to 1. What is the limit value here? 0 to a to b. Okay, so if you substitute that condition and solve this, you can find what is your k value. So the generalized definition will be f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a for interval a less than x less than b equal to 0 otherwise. This will be our definition. Always it will be a constant k, where the constant k will be equal to 1 by b minus a. So remember, this is the definition. F of x equal to 1 by b minus a comma a less than x less than b equal to 0 otherwise. What is the denominator now? Upper limit minus lower limit, the difference of the interval. So if the interval is 0 comma 5, what is f of x? What is f of x? Say it louder. 1 by 5 minus. What is 5 minus 0? 5. So f of x will be 1 by 5. Interval is coming to 80. F of x will be equal to 1 by 5. So here f of x will be a constant one. So doing integration also very easy one. Because you are going to do the integration only for the integrand dx one. So always uniform distribution will be having only a constant f of x, where the constant will be equal to 1 by b minus c. Upper limit minus lower limit. So as usual, like the discrete distribution, we have to discuss what is the mean, what is the variance and other things. Okay, so write next one. Next one. Mean is equal to b plus a by 2. Mean is equal to b plus a by 2. Variance is equal to b minus a the whole square by tau. b minus a the whole square by 12. Any doubt in this one? No? How we define? How we define? How we define uniform? F of x equal to 1 by b minus a for a less than x less than b or is equal to 0 otherwise. So finding the MGF and mean, everything is also easy here because it is going to be only a constant function. What is mx of t? Definition? Expectation of e power dx. This is discrete case or continuous case? Discrete case. Uniform distribution is discrete or continuous? Continuous. Continuous is what is the formula? Integration of e power dx f of x into dx. Substitute f of x. How we define f of x? What's going on? Over there.
No.
Then? Shall we continue? So you now got the MGF. How will you get the mean and variance? What are the procedures? Either by direct formula or by using your MGF. Okay, using MGF means what you have to do? You have to differentiate this one with respect to what variable? T by dt. Okay, when you see this one, numerator is also having T, denominator is also having T. So when you differentiate means u by dt. If you find that to be a difficult one, means make use of your formula. What is the formula to get mean value? What is the formula to get mean? E of x is equal to integral of. No, I am asking the formula to get mean. Mean or the formula? E of x equal to. That is using MGF. I am asking you the general mean formula. X into see so much confusion with the small formulas itself. Then you have only memorize all the polynomial formula. Generalized formula for mean, what is the formula? X into f of x. Okay, if it is discrete means you will put summation. If it is continuous case means you will put integration. X into the corresponding probability value. That is your mean formula. So here, if you go by this method, it will be easy for you. Integral a to b, x into what is f of x? 1 by e minus a into dx. This is MGF mark. We are not using MGF. We are trying to get the mean value by direct definition of function. Okay, you can get by using this one, but you will apply here u by d formula. Okay, for mean. Again for mu2 dash, what you have to do? You will differentiate twice. You will get the answer, but it will be lengthier process. Instead of that, if you go by this one, it will be a number of steps to be easy for you. Okay, so 1 by b minus a is your constant. Take it outside. What is integral of x? X square plus 2. Within the limit a to b. What is the upper limit? B. So what you will take? 1 by 1 by 2 b minus a b square minus a square. It is a what formula? A square minus b square. So what will the answer? B minus a into b plus a. A and b are interchanged. Okay, you will get it as b minus a into b plus a. So b minus a cancels. So what will be your answer? B plus a by 2 or a plus b by 2. That is your b. Easy or not? Differentiation will be easy or the integration will be easy? Integration. Like that one you have to choose which method will be easy for you to solve the exams. Okay. Next, similarly you can find mu2 dash. If you solve the mu2 dash, what you will get? You will get it to be x square. Okay, you will get this as x cube. Okay, well, then here you will get it to be
Q minus A.
a cube minus a cube. To simplify this, we make use of the formula a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube. That is a minus b the whole cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube. So when you have substitute that formula as simplified, we will be getting mu2 dash. Then using mu1 dash and mu2 dash, you can find what is your variance. What should be the answer for variance? I give you the answer. B minus a whole square by 1. That should be the answer for variance. Okay. So derivation part procedure is up to you, ma. Either you can get it by using your MGF or you can get it by direct formula. Whichever will be easy for you, you do that one by that one in your exam until it is not mentioned in the question. If it is mentioned, then you have to follow only that procedure. So anyhow, should we recall our uniform? What is the mean?
B plus A by 2.
What is the variance?
B minus A the whole square by tall.
What is the MGF?
E power minus A.
Okay, I hope problems. First one, x is uniformly distributed. X is uniformly distributed with mean 1 and variance 4 by 3. Mean 1 and variance 4 by 3. Find probability of x less than 0. Probability of x less than 0. Okay. Written. Can you identify it belongs to which distribution? Uniform. Statement is clear or not? X is uniformly distributed. Okay, what are the informations given for you? Mean and variance. So are you given what is A value, what is B value? Given up. Any interval is given? Yes sir. When the interval is mentioned?
No, ma'am.
No. Just in the statement you are given what is the mean and what is the variance. By using that one, first you have to identify what is A and what is B. Only if you know what is your f of x, you can find what is probability of x less than 0. Can you understand now? Yes? In f of x and then there is you can do the integration. So first you have to find what is f of x. To find f of x, first you have to find what is A and what is B value. So start the solution. Given x is uniformly distributed. Given x is uniformly distributed. Therefore, mean is equal to, what is the mean for uniform distribution? A plus B by 2. Variance is equal to
B minus A the whole square by 12.
B minus A the whole square by 12. Now we know these two values now. Let us substitute, simplify and define what is A and what is B. So right, given A plus B by 2 is equal to, what is the mean value given?
1.
So from this you will get A plus B equal to 2. One equation. Just cross multiply the constant. So what is the variance given to be? 4 by 3. So B minus A the whole square equal to 4 by 3. So bring 12 to that side. So what happened? B minus A the whole square equal to, you will get as 4 into 12. So 3 and 12 can be cancelled 4 times. What is 4 into 4? 16. So if B minus A the whole square is 16, what will be B minus A? 4. We consider to be positive number. B minus A will be equal to 4. Because we are trying to find the value of questions. B minus A equal to 4. Now we got two equations. Solve and find what is A and what is B. Can we add or subtract now both the equations? First equation is A plus B. Second one is B minus A. We add or subtract? Add. If we add means A and A will get cancelled off. So what you will get? 1 plus 2. So A and A will get cancelled off. B plus B will give you 2B. Right hand side add 4 plus 2 will give you 6. So what is the B value?
3.
Substitute any one equation, find what is A? Minus 1. Even if we solve by A, this to be minus 4, we will be similar answer. So we consider 1 value and find. So what is the A value?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. What is the B value?
3.
Now we write the f of x. So right, therefore f of x is equal to
1 by
1 by b minus b. So what is the b value? 3.
3 minus
Minus of
Minus.
a is minus 1. For interval minus 1 less than x less than 3 equal to 0 otherwise. What will happen to denominator? Denominator.
minus
3 plus 1 will give you 4. Be careful that, so we are writing it elaborate. Be careful the positive and negative sign. So what will be f of x? 1 by 4 for the interval minus 1 less than x less than 3 equal to 0 otherwise. So this is our f of x. So So they are not given directly, we have found out by ourselves. What is the thing you have to find? Probability of x less than 0. So less than 0, what are the possible values now? X varies from -1 to
Minus 1.
So x less than 0 means
Minus 1.
-1 to
Minus infinity.
discrete case or continuous case?
Continuous.
Continuous. Continuous means how will you say?
Minus.
Minus -1 to
Minus infinity.
minus infinity. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is my interval, right? Okay, this is a continuous case now. Continuous case means integration or summation?
Integration.
Integration. We have to find for all the values less than 0. Less than 0 means what is the possible? -1 to 0. Integration. This is not discrete. Discrete manner -1, 1 to 0. The continuous case. Continuous case now what is the meaning?
Integration.
It is defined at all the infinite number of points. So it is integration. So you take the limit value from -1 to 0. So probability of x less than 0 is integral -1 to 0 f of x dx. You understand? Continuous case one, not discrete. Okay, integrate to get the answer. Very simple function. What is f of x? 1 by 4. It is a constant taken outside the integration. What is integral of dx? X. Within the limit -1 to 0. What is upper limit minus lower limit? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So your answer will be 1 by 4.